Do you have any breathing techniques you've already learned and practice regularly? I'm Matsuzaki, Asaki Matsuzaki, a psychiatrist. This time, I'd like to introduce box breathing, a breathing technique that is helpful for improving concentration and managing stress. Let me explain the method right away, in 3 steps. Step 1. You can sit in a chair or lie down. Take a relaxed, comfortable position. Step 2. Set a timer for a fixed amount of time, such as 5 minutes. Step 3. Breathe. This is the distinctive part. Inhale over 4 seconds. Next, hold your breath for 4 seconds. Then exhale over 4 seconds. And then hold your breath again for 4 seconds. The cycle of inhale, hold, exhale, hold is repeated for the set duration. For example, 5 minutes, if that's what you chose. So it goes like this. Inhale, hold, exhale, hold, inhale, hold, exhale, and so on. Here, I explained each phase of the breathing as 4 seconds, but you can adjust it to suit yourself. For example, 3 seconds or 5 seconds, and change it to a duration that doesn't feel uncomfortable to continue. In general, nasal breathing is considered preferable, but depending on the situation, such as when your nose is congested, mouth breathing is also fine. Research has reported that positive emotions increase while at the same time, negative emotions such as anxiety, low mood, and irritability decrease. The effects tend to appear quickly, and by practicing it daily, it is expected to further enhance overall mental well-being. What is the mechanism by which box breathing produces its effects? One possibility is the relaxation effect that comes from repeatedly taking deep breaths. And by focusing on controlling the breath, it may help you step away from regrets about the past and anxieties about the future, and instead direct your awareness to your body here, bringing your attention to the present moment, which suggests that it may include elements of mindfulness as a form of concentration-based meditation. However, the defining feature of box breathing is that it does not rely on such explanations. There are no mental instructions, no commands like clear your mind or anything like that. Instead, only the physical action itself is specified. Breathing in a particular prescribed way. Box breathing has other names. It is sometimes called square breathing, and it is also known as tactical breathing. The name tactical breathing captures the defining characteristics of this breathing technique. This breathing technique gained attention after being used by US Navy Special Forces, and it later spread widely among other military units as well as police and fire departments as a method for maintaining calmness and concentration, even in highly stressful situations. Above all, its greatest strength is that it can be practiced without complicated theory. It is a simple and easy to understand method. If you don't yet have a breathing technique you practice regularly on your own, why not start with this box breathing method as a simple first step? That's all.